राजेश मोहला
क्या हुआ? हाँ,
इसमें
किसमें?
डॉक्टर शेष कुमार लिख ली। हेलो, कुछ भी नहीं, चल अभी 5 मिनट टाइम दे दिया, वो हो गया, मैं चालू कर। हाँ ठीक।
ठीक है ना? ठीक है, ये करना है ना सर लॉगिन। हाँ,
So friends, good afternoon to each and everyone. So myself, Dr. Venkateshwarlu, Assistant Regional Director, Regional Center Nagpur. So on behalf of Regional Center Nagpur and my own behalf of, I would like to congratulate each and every participant for getting admission into IGNOU. IGNOU is one of the mega universities in the world. So we try to continue this program. So first of all, I request all the participants, please give your introduction about your name and your program and your study center and what is your aim. Just you can open your mic. After that, you try to give the brief details. Then you go for the meet. Don't get confused. One can open the mic automatically. You give the chance. Then only they will introduce. After that, they will go for the meet. After that, you try to open the mic. Then you try to give your details. Now I request all the participants, please introduce yourself one by one. Don't get confused. Okay.
Sir, may I Sir, may I introduce myself? Sir, myself Sunila Ray, and I had joined
yes.
Masters in Psychology, MAPC,
Mm. Mm.
and I am
Okay.
from Chhattisgarh. Okay, sir.
Mm.
Anything else I need to say?
If you want to say anything, then you can say. There is no problem. One or two sentences you can say. There is no problem.
Okay, actually, I am an English professor in an engineering college and wanted to complete the
Mm.
course of psychology. That's why I had joined MA in psychology from the
Mm.
largest university. And as we all know, that IGNOU is the largest university, and know that the syllabus of the IGNOU is very well, and all the teachers are also very well. They are well known also sometimes because I had earlier done two courses from here, which are Diploma in Child Care and Education and which is MA English also. That's why I trusted IGNOU and I want to complete my psychology also from here. Thank you, sir. That's over.
Okay. 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 Thank you. So anyone, one by one, don't get confused.
Yeah, can I?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Namaskar, sir. Namaskar, uh, everyone.
Namaskar.
Uh, I am Dr. Sharan Kumar, Assistant Professor. I am working here in the Department of Linguistics, Foreign Indian Language, Nagpur University, Nagpur University. Uh, I have a great interest in psychology, so that's why I have get enrolled in the MA Psychology course from INDO. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Can I speak?
Yes.
Yes.
Eh,
My name is Amol Ramteke. I am from Nagpur.
Yes.
and this is my interesting subject, basically human psychology. I want to explore uh, in mental health myself. I'm a meditator from last 12 years, so that's why I want to explore more. That's why I joined this course actually in IGNOU. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Ah,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I am Samir Haldule. I am based in Nagpur. I am an IT professional, but I am a as well table tennis national player, and I have joined this masters in psychology basically to give input to the players in sports. Basically, I am going to various clubs like Ambedkar and for coaching. So I have joined psychology to improve the in sports. Basically, thank you, sir.
acha. Sports psychology you wanted to know
Yeah,
about
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Any more?
Can I? Can I, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sister.
Myself, Jolima Philip. I am from Chandrapur, Korpana Taluka. I am working in the field of education since so many years. So I would like to complete my studies about child psychology. I prefer that. Thank you.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Any more?
Can I speak, sir?
Yeah, Aparna.
Yeah.
I am C. Aparna Shankaran. I am a practicing chartered accountant from Nagpur. This is my
Yes.
first course from IGNOU. Psychology has always interested me. That's why I'm doing MA Psychology this year.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Fine.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Manisha Dupare. I am working from Tata Trust Cancer Care Foundation, Chandrapur.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come forward. Please complete your introduction.
Good
Then
evening,
only
sir.
we will start.
Yeah, my name is Rahul, and I am a student of National Security and International Relations. And coming to psychology was one of my interests because in security, mostly it's related to individuals and societies, and therefore I applied for this course. As I'm already doing a full-time course, only distance education was the option I could go for. And Nagpur being my
Okay.
hometown, I applied for this.
Okay, fine.
Hello.
Hello. Apurva, बोलिए.
Good evening, sir. Myself Apurva Gedam. I am from Nagpur.
Yes.
And just recently, last month, I will join the IGNOU Center, and my
Hmm.
course name is MA Psychology. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
fine, madam.
Can I, sir?
Yes.
Sir, I'm Vidya Umbredkar. Hello.
हाँ जी,
I'm
Vidya,
Vidya,
बोलिए.
I'm Vidya Umbredkar. I'm presently working at National Cancer Institute as a legal executive. So I wanted to join this course because I wanted to do clinical psychology. That's why I joined this.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Miss Kranti Suryavanshi, and presently I'm working in Mount Literacy School as a teacher, and this is my first course which I am completing with IGNOU. Okay, and I am a student of MAPC.
Good afternoon, sir, and all my fellow friends. I'm Roshil Ratnani from Yavatmal. I am a BA graduate and now here to complete my MA Psychology from IGNOU.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Speed up, please.
Hello.
Speed up one by one. One by one.
Sir, myself
Already
Parag Jose.
yes.
Parag Jose, and I am home tutor. I joined the MAPC course to improve my teaching.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Any more?
Hello,
Already
sir.
15 minutes over.
Hello, sir. My name is Shivam Khedikar. I am from Nagpur, and I have enrolled for the program MEPC, Master in Psychology.
Okay, Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello. हाँ बोलिए सर, बोलिए.
Hello, I'm Viren Khobrakade from Chandrapur. I have recently enrolled for MSc program, so that's why I have joined this meeting, and I'm interested in psychology. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Hello, sir. Hello. Myself, Piyush Javade from Varud.
Okay, fine.
So I am doing for BA Bachelor of Art in Psychology.
Fine.
And I am working
Okay.
here as a teacher. My aim is to become a counselor, student counselor.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Hello, sir. My name is Devanshi, and I'm from Chhattisgarh, and I am enrolled in BA Psychology. I aim to be a psychologist one day, so I wanted to enroll in this course. Thank you.
Okay, fine, madam. So almost 15 minutes over. So when we have the time, then automatically we will interact with you. So thank you each and every participants. So now I request our regional director, please speak about induction meeting, sir.
Good evening, friends. Good evening, my colleagues, Dr. Venkatesh Arlu, Dr. Shashi Kumar, and others.
Good evening, sir.
It's a pleasure to welcome you all to the fold of Indira Gandhi National Open University. And at the outset, I congratulate all of you for your desire to move forward in your life. For many of you, it may be a new way of life. Yeah, as I heard, one of you are saying that you are a chartered accountant and you are in education field and so many things. But still, you have chosen to study in psychology. Of course, nowadays psychology is useful everywhere for every walk of life. And I am glad to say that you have taken a right decision in taking psychology also and also joining IGNOU. I will explain you why it is. We have students who have done in different fields, but they have done MS Psychology, and some of them have completed PhD also from Nagpur University, and they are into different line of activity. So if you have joined with a very purposeful planning of having your own career into psychology, I am sure you will definitely achieve that target. Coming to IGNOU, this induction meeting, we plan to induct you into self-study mode of education, because you might have studied. I could see some are young, some are middle-aged, some are aged, because IGNOU is a university for every age group. We have students from 18 years to 80 years. Last semester, we had a student who retired 20 years back, but he says he had a desire to study, so now he joined for anthropology course. We have one Dr. Shukla who is around 78 years. He retired as a principal of agriculture college, but again after retiring he joined back and he is very sincere in his studies. So that's why I want to say that there is no age bar. Whatever may be your age, it is a lifelong learning process, and Open University gives that opportunity to you. Wherever you are, whatever you are, and you can continue your studies. The only driving force is your desire to study, to upgrade yourself, to upgrade your knowledge, to upgrade your certificates, to upgrade your qualifications. So these can be achieved through Open University system. And you all know Indira Gandhi National Open University is a central university under Government of India. There are around 44 central universities which are directly under Government of India. There are other state universities like Nagpur University, Amravati University, Gondwana University. They are under Government of Maharashtra. Like that, every state has their own state universities. So under this Central University, this IGNOU is very unique because every university has a jurisdiction of certain districts. For example, Nagpur University has 4 districts. Gondwana University has 2 districts of Gadchiroli and Chandrapur. Amravati has 6 districts, like that. Whereas IGNOU is a university with all the around 700 districts in the country under its jurisdiction, starting from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, even up to Leh in the northern end of the country, and from Andaman to Lakshadweep Islands. Every place is under IGNOU jurisdiction. So to manage it will be difficult. That's why there are regional centers, 56 regional centers at each major cities of the country. Like in Maharashtra, we have 3 regional centers. For eastern part, Nagpur Regional Center, it has 14 districts, 11 Vidarbha and 3 Marathwada. Then middle part, it is under Pune, and western part, Konkan and other places, it is under Mumbai. So these regional centers, we look after the IGNOU activities, and you will have study centers at local level colleges. For you people, for psychology, it is at Morris College. It is otherwise called as Vasantrao Naik Institute of Government Institute of Social Sciences. So the study material you will be getting, or you might have received, that is prepared by the best experts in the country. And after IGNOU has started psychology courses, many of the universities, they use IGNOU study material for their class teaching purpose also. It is not a boasting, because it is a collective wisdom of the best teachers in the country. For example, for clinical psychology, we have best teacher in Calcutta University. We approach them to write material for you. Whatever he or she teaches in their classroom, they put it in writing and prepare for you. If for child psychology, we have a best teacher in Ahmedabad University, they will write material for you. So the beauty in this concept is the best teachers' expertise will come to you in the form of written books. You need not go to Ahmedabad or Calcutta or Chennai. Their classroom lectures will come to you through the form of written material. That is what we call as quality education at your doorstep. So this material will come to you. We know that many of you are very eager to know about psychology, understand it and apply it in your future career. But we know that many of you might not have studied psychology earlier. Out of your own curiosity and zeal, you joined. So to help you to understand the subject, we organize counseling classes at the study centers, like Morris College. So there, the local experts will be like a bridge for you between you and the study material to help you to make you to understand the books. But most of the study will be through self-study. As you all know, Ekalavya Kahani in Mahabharat, you also should be like Ekalavya in your studies. We will be there to facilitate your learning desire. Okay? So the best local experts will be there at Morris College to help you. And with under present conditions of COVID, everything is going online. So these online, IGNOU also has adopted. As you might have applied admissions through online only, you get email, SMS or whatever it is, everything. This induction meeting also generally we have it at the college, inviting you all to have it in the all of the Morris College. But because of COVID, we are organizing through online mode. So the classes are also available online. You can attend them. If normal situation comes, the classes will be held online only. So in the beauty in this system is, earlier you were listening only to Nagpur experts classes. Through online, you can listen to Mumbai experts, Pune experts, Delhi, Calcutta or Chennai or whatnot, wherever they are. Every class is available on the website, details. So you can listen to them and clarify your doubts also. There will be assignments, there will be examination, there will be practicals. All these details will be given to you by my colleagues Dr. Shashi and Dr. Venkat. Please listen to them and clarify your doubts so that you should have a better starting. As it is said, a 1,000-mile journey starts with the first step. So we hope this will be your first step for your studies, and listen carefully, and we are here to support your learning desire, and we wish you all the best. And Dr. Venkateshwarlu and Dr. Shashi, please carry forward, and I will be listening to you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving brief details about induction meeting. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our colleague, Dr. Shash Kumar, please give your information about induction meeting, sir. So,
thank you, sir.
I request Shashi, sir, please.
Yeah, thank
okay,
you.
Sir. Okay, thank you. Carry on.
Very good afternoon, you all.
Okay, sir. The PPT is available. Just you can.
It's fine. Very good afternoon, you all, and I thank our regional director for being with us, and then we started up the induction meeting with a good note. And I also thank Dr. Venkateshwarlu for organizing this induction meeting. And I congratulate each one of you for choosing IGNOU for your MA PC and then for your BA PCH. So we welcome you all to IGNOU family. And the purpose of this induction meeting, as our region that was telling that, like to make you to be understand that how you have to be go ahead with your study program there in the distance education. So basically, in the distance education, your role will be more like that's what we have been insisting. That we call it as a self-study or independent learning, because you are away from the institute, where you will not be having a lot of interactions. Like maybe because of even otherwise also like COVID. Now we are maintaining ourselves as a social distance, are maintaining it, and we are not having all colleges are closed. Now all the classes we have been organizing only through the online mode. Again, that there was a huge gap there in the distance education, so we are not able to be even closely associated and then pursue our program. So, however, we try to be we try to reduce the gap by having the online classes. We are also been transforming to the online mode now than all the academic transaction. So almost everything now will be having online activity. You will becomes to know that with the classes also will available there in the online, as well as we are also having a different platform, multimedia. We are using a different multimedia platform to be take our online courses. We'll be having a Facebook. We are also having sessions there on the Facebooks, or we'll be having a like a lot of social media platform like sorry, I'll just. It's okay. So Venkat sir has been telling that to be go with the PPT, and let me go with the PPT. See when it has been given over here. Yes, the purpose, like you might become now come across that like heterogeneous group. Like if you see from the as Adi sir was telling that learners from 18 years to even 60, 70 years, and then different profile. Like if the people, students from Chhattisgarh, students from a different state, and then students from Nagpur and. Really geographically different learners from different geographical locations and different background. All this is the nature of the IGNOU. If you see that is one thing which we can see there in the IGNOU. So next slide, sir, please. Venkat sir, next slide. IGNOU was established in 1985. You all know that one. Started with 2 programs, and now we have more than 250 programs, right from certificate to PhD level. You will also make use of it. Like when you have been doing your regular program there in now doing their psychology, MA psychology, you can also join for certificate programs along with your psychology program. That is one advantage over there in doing their distance education. So you will be having your own choice to be choose for a certificate program that you can do along with this one. And as of now, like 75 million students have been joined there with the cumulative we have with the IGNOU. So IGNOU twice in a year, IGNOU used to be have the admission, one in there in the month of July, and next one is there in January 2nd. So you all joined for July 2021 session. So it's a yearly program. Both the programs are like MAPC, it's a yearly program, and the BAPCH is a semester-based program. However, exams will be after 1 year for both the program BAPCH as well as MAPC. And one thing regarding your program discipline, like it's a highly intensive program. Psychology आपका highly intensive program है. It's not like other program. You will be having a if you take UG program, you will be having a practical and tutorial component. So these are the you will be having every semester. You will be having two courses for practical and tutorial. And if you take MA Psychology, you will be having first year you will be having a practical, and second year you will be having a internship, practical, and project. So it's highly intensive program. It's like not like other program where you can be casually read and then complete the program. Whereas here, we need a lot of your inputs, like a lot of your attentions. Like you have to be take it very seriously and do your program. And with our experiences with the previous batches, what we have been understand that psychology, if you take especially on the research area, research part, many students are not able to be concentrated, and then many students have been getting fail on the project work. So we don't want to be have it with this batch. In the beginning only, we have been telling to you that please kindly attend all the classes, whatever classes have been arranged to you. Please try to attend all the theory classes and try to attend the practical classes of first year. We will be having a MPCL 007 for first year MA Psychology program, and like that, likewise, you're also having for BA also, you will be having a introduction to psychology, having a practical component there in the first semester itself, and biopsychology also having a first year psychology program will be there, course will be there. So you try to be attend these practicals and try to be attend the classes of all the scheduled by the study center. That is one thing we just want to be inform you all, because that will help you whether you will be having a psychology background or not having a psychology background. When you attend the classes, definitely that will help you. And coming back to the features of IGNOU, you know that IGNOU is not only in the country, like we have also in the overseas also. Around 35 countries we have, 35 overseas centers we have in different abroad. And apart from that, university IGNOU is the one university which is declaring the research within 45 days. Like now it has also comes to be 30 days. No other university is there like to be published their research immediately. That also creates to us. And yes, next slide, sir. Venkat sir. Venkat sir, next slide. Yeah, we ensure the quality. That's what I was telling there during for your project and internship. Like what people have been taking that very lightly and then doing their project work. We will not be IGNOU maintains from to all the programs. IGNOU maintains the quality of education, and like you have been joined for the fresh admission. That you know that one you will be having a re-registration for second year. You're supposed to go for re-registration of second year there in the month of April 2022 for your second year program, because you have taken our admission there in July 2021. So your first year will be getting over by June 2022, and before that you have to go for your second year re-registration. That you have to retain yourself there in the studies. That you have to do it. For second BA students, you will be having a 3-year program. Your period is a 3-year program. Minimum period is 3 years, and maximum will be 6 years. So for second year, you have to be go in the month of April for your second year re-registration, and 2022, and third year registration will be you have to go for re-registration there in 2023. Okay, and this you have to keep in mind. So next slide, please. You will be allotted with the study center. You will be knowing that already. Our auditor was telling that your study center code is 027P. So you have to be always will be in the part of the university. You have to be always mentioned about the codes. Like for example, program also will be having a code. We will call it as a program. We call it as a degree in the conventional mode. Whereas in the IGNOU, we will trace a program. Okay, program psychology. MA Psychology is a program, and BA Honors in Psychology also a program. And for each program, you will be having a program code. That is MAPC is for master's degree, and BAPCH is for BA Honors in Psychology. Okay, this program code to be remember. and you will be having courses, nothing but the subjects. In the conventional universities, you might be having a subjects, whereas here it is called as a courses. Okay, so you will be having, the first year will be having 7 courses for MA Psychology program, and for UG program you will be having semester, like first semester 4 courses, and second semesters will be having 4 courses. So 8 courses will be there for you in the study first year program. Okay, that is called as a courses, and each course will be having a course code. For example, MPC 1 to MPC 6 will be their theory courses, and MPCL 007 is a practical courses for you there in the first year. Okay, and likewise BPCC 01 and BPCC 102, all these things are for UG program. So from where you can come to know about the program structure and program details, you can download the program guide from the IGNOU website, or you can download the program guide. You can get the program guide from the Google. You can search it like MAPC plus program guide plus IGNOU. If you type it over there in the Google, you can get the program guide. I humbly request all of you to go through the program guide to understand the components which is there in the program, and what are the deadlines given by the university to complete your program. Every information is given over there in the your program guide. So please download your program guide and make benefit of it. That will help you definitely to be pursue your program IGNOU. And apart from that, what you can do now, you can also go to IGNOU website to find out your registration details. You can go to the registration details and to the IGNOU website, and then student zone. Once you click the student zone, you can check the registration details of yours. You hope you all might be downloading your ID card. Like from the portal which you have been taken your admission. There you can download your ID card. There you can find your 10-digit enrollment number. Like enrollment number is given over there, and the program code is given over there. 10-digit enrollment number is there. So please remember that 10-digit enrollment number. That will help you whenever you are communicating to the university. You have to mention your enrollment number, program code, and your name. So these 3 information and the issues you have to be mentioned whenever communicating to us. And while writing your assignments, the cover page, you have to write the enrollment number, program code, and the course code. So these are the common things which you have to be understand from the system. And also you understand what are the course titles, like what are the course titles, what are the papers are there for you for a MA Psychology and then BA Psychology, whatever program you have been joined. You please check the course titles and start prepare your studies. Like you start download your material from the eGAN-Kosh if you are not received a hard copy of the study material. If you opted a soft copy, you can download the material. Soft copy can be downloaded from the eGAN-Kosh, or if you opted a hard copy and yet to be received a hard copy, you wait for a week, or you can send a mail to registrar MPTD at igmou.as.in by stating that you have been registered, you are enrolled for psychology program, MAPC or BAPCH, whatever program it is. You just mention that your name, enrollment number, and program code, and not received study material so far. ऐसे एक मेल भेज सकते हैं आपको रजिस्ट्रार एमपीटीडी के लिए. That you can do, and you will be getting the postal materials will be sent to your postal address directly by the IGNOU head office. They will send to your postal address. So, and IGNOU study materials are very reputed materials, which will, and very easy to be understood also. And that material will definitely help you for your preparations of for your coursework. Apart from your coursework, for your examinations, or like for civil service examinations also, like our IGNOU materials are being referring by many of the civil service aspirants. So that is one thing I just want to inform you, and we will call this material as a self-instructional material. Why? Because it is not necessary someone has to come and teach you. When you go through the material, it will be easy to understand. The materials are such a way prepared in such a way that anyone can be understand by going through the material. So only thing is that you have to be read the material step by step, and there is a unit-wise materials are given. So step by step you can be go through the material, and whatever you understand, whatever doubts which you have been coming there in your mind, you can be note down the questions. You can note down the doubts, and that questions can be clarified during your counseling sessions. Counseling session is nothing but the online face-to-face classes. Like here we can be called as academic counseling, because we will not be having a regular timetable like you are getting there in the conventional universities. here you will be having a counseling schedule. The counseling schedule will be uploaded there in the website and sent to you also by your mail. You will get the email from the study center when the counseling schedules are prepared. So that will share to you through email only. And the counseling schedule also uploaded there in the RC Nagpur website. You also be in touch with all the digital platform. Now all the updated informations are uploading there in the site. And one thing I just want to be tell to all the psychology learners, because what we are having experience is that with the previous batch, the WhatsApp groups, lot of messages will be sharing by the groupers, which is not reliable. They are not understanding that like there are different batches and the system is different with different courses. Okay, we'll not be understanding it. Therefore, we'll not suggest that whatever message you are getting there in the WhatsApp by sending by your colleagues or from the learners who joined along with you, don't rely on that. You always confirm the information from the IGNOU website. Whatever information that are updated in that website, that is the final one. So whatever discussions which is happening there in the WhatsApp group, don't rely on that one. That I want to be informed over here, because many confusions will be there during your program when you are having the students have been transforming their messages. So to avoid that, we are telling that just go through the IGNOU website. If you want to be authenticated, you just call to Region Center, you confirm it from us, or you be in touch with the study center. They are the persons who will be really guide you properly, and they will give you the appropriate information to you. So please follow that one. And starting of WhatsApp group is to be sharing of your knowledge over there, like what that is what and to get the updated information. But updated information, if it is a notification from the university, that you can be rely on it. Okay. Venkat, next slide, please. Yes, counseling session. I said that we will be having a counseling sessions, not the regular classroom teaching. Here, the lecturers will come and teach you. They will only have a counseling over here. What it's like, only prescribed number of counseling sessions will be there for each course based on the credits. Like how many credits are for the a particular course. According to the credits, we will be having the sessions. Maybe 10 counseling sessions may be allowed to be for 8 credit courses. Or if it is 6 credit courses, we will be having 8 sessions. 8 sessions is nothing but like one session is for 2.5 hours. In online classes, we will be having only 1 hour session. So you will be having 8 classes only for a particular course. Therefore, we advise that you please go through study material which is given to you and read on your own. Whatever doubts arises to you, please note down the questions, and that can be interacted during your counseling sessions. The academic counselors, nothing but the faculty members there in the colleges, like maybe Morris College, we will call them as academic counselor. Okay, they will come and counsel you during the counseling sessions. And like whatever doubts you have, whatever doubts you come across when you go through the material, please note down it and clarify with the clarify during your counseling sessions. So this is what we would like to be inform you all. And if you, in case any miscommunication is there on your receiving of your counseling schedule, let us know. You send a mail to RC Nagpur that the counseling session are not arranged or counseling session was not informed to you. So let us also know that one. You can be feel to be share the feedback to Region Center. Therefore, we will try to support you. And now another advantage is given over there to IGNOU student is that it is not necessary to attend the classes only organizing by the study center of yours. And we also have like throughout the nation, counselings are going on through online. And if you have missed your counseling sessions, which is organized by the your study center, you can also attend the classes of other regional centers by visiting their site and getting their counseling schedule and attend the classes over there. That is also option is given over there. Apart from that, almost all the faculty members, school faculty members have been uploading their video lectures on the eGyanKosh portal. There also you can watch your video lessons. So that also will help you. Yes, Venkat sir, next slide, sir. Yes, you will be having the assess here evaluation. आपको देखिए IGNOU में like we will be having a evaluation. 3 type evaluation will be there. One is self assessment will be there. सेल्फ असेसमेंट आपको आप कैसे प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं, आप कैसे आपको समझ में आ रहा है नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, आपको चेक करने के लिए आपको सेल्फ असेसमेंट है वो. इफ यू सी द स्टडी मटेरियल ऑन द एवरी यूनिट एट द एंड ऑफ द एवरी यूनिट यू विल बी हैविंग सेल्फ असेसमेंट क्वेश्चंस. If you try to attend the questions and find out that how you are performing yourself, that was the reason that we have a self-assessment there in the study material. So second assessment is nothing but the continuous assessment. That is that you have to submit assignment for each course. For psychology, you will be having 6 theory courses. For all 6 courses, like for every course, you have to submit one assignment at a study center. Assignment कैसे लिखना है आपको? Assignment question paper available study IGNOU site में है. You can go to the IGNOU website, Student Zone, and downloads. If you see that assignments is there, if you click the assignments, the question paper is available over there. So almost every previous year assignment question paper also will be available over there. You might be having confusion there to see which question paper will be valid for you. To ensure to check that whether the question paper is valid or not to you, like what you have to do, you have to see second page of assignment question paper or third page of assignment question paper. If the dates are mentioned as 31st March 2022, the date of submission for the assignment is 31st of March 2022, then that question paper is valid for you for June 2022 term and examination. Okay, so assignments you have to write on your read on your own and then write it on your own and submit the assignment responses. Handwritten assignment has to submit at the study center, not at you have to submit only at the study center. Okay, so this you have to be, please ensure it, and it should be only handwritten one. Try to be use A4 sheets, unruled sheets or unruled sheets, whatever it is, like it should be legible, should be there, and you have to neatly present it and try to be understand the concept and try to be write assignment responses on your own. Don't just copy the material assignment responses directly from the book study materials and then put it over there in assignment responses. Whatever you understand, you try to be write it on your own. That gives you weightage. And for assignments के लिए आपको 30% weightage तो है, और term and examination final में आपको 1 साल होने के बाद आपको term and examination आता है. Like that time you have to be appear for your final term and examination. Term and examination के लिए आप apply करना पड़ेगा. When you have to be apply for the term and examination 3 months before your term and examination. Okay. Generally, IGNOU twice in a year IGNOU conducts a term and examination. One in the month of June and another one in the month of December. This is very common. IGNOU everything is the prescribed date में चलते हैं. So you please go with the deadlines. The deadlines are given over there in the program guide. You comes to know that. And the exam for your first year exam will be there in the month of June 2022 for both the MA Psychology and BA Psychology. Okay, for which you have to be apply for the examination in the month of March 2022. Okay, please note down it. March 2022, you have to submit your assignment at your study center, and you have to be apply for examination in the month of March 2022 for your first year courses. Okay, for both the programs. And second year re-registration you have to be do it in the month of April 2022. Don't forget that to be go for a second re-registration. You have to do it in the month of April 2022. Everything is through online only. You have to be apply through online, and your examination, first year examination, will be there in the month of June 2022. Okay, before commencement of 10 days before commencement of examination, you have to download the hall ticket from the IGNOU website. Okay, and whatever assignments you are submitted at the study center, you please collect back the assignment before your examination, and the marks will be uploaded there on the website. And you please collect back and you understand that how you have been performed there, what the comments were given by the academic counselors. That also you can be checked over there by going through your evaluated assignments. So this also you have to be doing from your end. And even question papers, old question papers are available there in the IGNOU website. If you want to see, if you want to prepare, you can be refer the old question paper which is available there in the IGNOU website. That will help you. And assignments you have to submit, like there should be a covering page, and in the covering page you have to write your name, enrollment number, program code, and the course code. So these 3 information is it should be there in the assignment covering page. And cover pages are available there in the Google. You can be download that cover page format. If you want cover page, it's also available at Study Center, or you can also get it from the regional center. So cover page, along with the assignments, you have to keep the copy of the question paper. Keep the copy of the question paper along with the assignment responses. Neatly, you write the assignment responses and spiral it and submit at the study center for the evaluation. So that is one thing. So next slide, please, sir. So submission schedule is given over here. You have first year practical will be there. So practical generally will be 2 months before the examination. That is the schedule. Maybe for you the practicals will be starts in the month of March or April for your batch. So for both the years, for both the program like MA Psychology as well as for the UG program, we yet to receive the guidelines for this session. Once we receive the guidelines for practical, we will be having it in the month of March or April 2022 for the first year courses. Okay, and second year we will be having for the for psychology, MA Psychology, you have to be choose. We have 3 specializations. One is clinical, second one is counseling, and third one is industrial psychology. So you have to be choose. Like you please decide now only that which specialization you want to be choose, and see the course codes for that particular discipline for particular specialization. What happens that sometimes students have been choosing clinical psychology initially without by interacting with their other fellow learners, and later on they comes and says that no sir, it's very difficult for us to be continuing clinical psychology. We want to go for counseling. You have to pay huge money for it, and again you have to take that video to avoid that one. You please be specific now only that which program, which specialization you want to be choose. So now even if you have you can interact with the academic counselors, that will help you. So that accordingly you can choose your specialization, maybe clinical or counseling or industrial psychology. Whatever you have been choosing, please check the course code, and while filling the registration form, please ensure that are you choosing the right course of your chosen psychology, specialized psychology. So that you have to be ensured from your side. Okay, and second year we will be having internship, project, and practical. So internship, whatever like it is given over there, you have to find your own the agency, and there will be agency supervisor. Also, I request you all, please read the handbooks which is available there in the site. Okay, there is a manual for project, there is a manual for internship, and please download it from the site. And then practical also there is in the handbook. Please download it and then just read it out now, and accordingly you can be go ahead with your practical, project, and internship, whatever it is given over there. And you be touch with the study center to be choose your agency, and they have to be give the approval to be permit you to do the internship over there in the particular agency which have been chosen by you. So that you have to be talk to your coordinator and talk to your counselor, and then decide that one. And destination, wherever you are, you can be do your destination. If you have been choosing your guide as an academic counselor, there is no issue. So academic counselor will be the guide. Or if you are choosing on your own, those who are having the qualification is already given over there. PhD in psychology, those who are having a PhD in psychology, they can be your guide. So when you are choosing your guide on your own, you have to keep the biota of the faculty member along with the synopsis, and synopsis should be submitted at the study center. Okay. So second year synopsis should be submitted before October of 2022. Don't delay your synopsis. You have to finalize your topic, project topic by August or September, and submit your synopsis before October 2022. Okay, for your second year ke liye, second year June examination ke liye, second year 2023 examination ke liye, you have to submit your synopsis by October, and submit your project report like 3 months before. Like the deadline will be given by the IGNOU that you can be submit then by March or April there in the link which is given by the IGNOU, or you can submit the project report at the study center. So this is what you have to do it, and maybe in due course, whatever doubts which you have, you can be clarified with us, and we are here to support you throughout your maximum your studies. Whatever doubts you have, you can be clarified with us. If you can drop a mail to RC Nagpur, definitely will help you. Only thing is that you have to mention your name, enrollment number, and program code, and your issue. So if you send a mail to us, definitely we'll reply to you, and we will help you. All the best all the best for your studies, and thank you from my side. Thank you so much. Venkat sir,
Sir, thank you very much for giving elaborate session with the induction meeting. So I am very much thankful to you, sir. So the time is turned for me. So I wanted to give some important aspects. So I will not take much time. So our Shish Kumar and our regional director already explained each and every aspects. So I want to touch up only few important points. So one is the IGNO, and second one is what are the important tasks. Third one is the term and examinations. So the IGNO, sir was already explained. So IGNO was started in 1985 with the initiations of our beloved Prime Minister Swargaya Rajiv Gandhi in his mother's name, Srimati Indira Gandhi. It was started only 2 programs. So at that time, only 600 learners were joined. So according to that, so today we have nearly 241 programs. So both media, that is English and Hindi. So now nearly 70 lakhs students already joined. So nearly 4 million learners were got the awards. So recently we got the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Innovation Award, first ranking. So that is IGNO. So IGNO quality, how much they try to provide the learners, what type of innovation and research taken place, just you think over that. And also in 2019 we have got A double plus grade by NAC. So that is also one of the biggest rank. So in our India we have nearly 1,000 universities. From that only 5 or 6 universities are got the A double plus grade. So how much quality we have protected and how to provide that quality material and quality education at your doorstep. So IGNO main mottos are only 2. One is quality education at your doorstep, and the second one is reaching the unreached sectors in the society. So these 2 mottos we need to follow every day and every second also. So we try to convey our messages to all the learners. So we are staying for your protection and for your safe side. So we try to provide quality education at any level, from certificate to PhD. So we have nearly 241 programs, from certificates, diploma, PG diploma, and PG certificates, master degree and bachelor's degree, MPhil and PhD. So everywhere we try to protect the quality education, and we need to provide it. Then only we got the awards. That is our strength. So IGNO is provided world-class material to you. So in the world, no one university ready to provide this type of quality material. So many civil services aspirants are referred our material. So the civil services exam is one of the toughest exam in our India. So nearly 5 lakh students give the competition. So according to that, so many aspirants are referred our material. So IGNO provide the world-class material who are lived in our India, renowned scholars, renowned professors, nearly 30 years of experienced people will invited, and the material will be prepared by them only. So, sir were already explained, RD sir. So, some of the experts in Bangalore, some of the experts in Bombay, some of the experts in Chennai, some of the experts in Delhi, some of the experts in Kolkata, Both are invited for preparation of material. They try to convert their lectures into written form. That written form will be edited by editorial boards, and each and every lesson try to take the place nearly 6 months. So one can provide the material, that material will be edited by editorial board. Each and every school is have the editorial board. That editorial board nearly 5 to 6 times for editing. After that, the material will goes to the language experts. The language experts try to remove the odd words and odd contents. So we try to incorporated simple words and easy contents. Then we try to incorporate each and every page. Then we try to protect quality. After that, the soft copy of material will goes to the printer. The printer also thoroughly checking by material. Some of the material will not print, and some of the material double print, some half page printing and half page that means off printing and double printing. So this type of mistakes removed by the printer, and the binding persons also try to protect the quality of material, and they need to binding it, and after that the material will hand over to the our IGNO. IGNO is have the one division. That division is material production and distribution division. That division is have the one head, that is registrar MPDD. So they will take care about the IGNO material. After that, they try to incorporated student address, and they try to get the student address from the SRD. After that, the material will be posted by IGNO headquarters to your addresses. What are the addresses given in the time of admissions? That address will be reached by material. So you need to get it, and after that you need not keep in almara or atka, whatever it is. So you need to open each and every page. After that, you need to thoroughly read out that material. After that, you need to use each and every margin. Each page is have two margins. One margin is left side, and another margin is right side. So both margins you need to use. One side you need to give the gist or idea or entire theme of that particular para or page. So point wise you can note down in your own words. You don't copy from the material. Same things you need to copy and paste. There is no use. That is not a worth. What are the gist or idea you need to read out? That should be converted into your own sentences. Then only that is very much useful and it is rememberable. So one side you can use like that, and second side you need to note down what are the doubts or what are the ununderstood contents. With that, then you try to note down. So that can be useful for the very much useful at the time of counseling. You need to clarify that doubts. So that is one of the best method. So each and every page or para cannot be understood by learners. So some of the odd words or some of the odd content also available. Try to ask the counselor at the time of online counseling. So the pandemic situation, we have not any offline counseling sessions. So every day nearly 2 lakhs people were affected by corona. So that is the reason you try to go for the online counseling sessions. So the online counseling sessions also scheduled by IGNOU study centers. That study center will keep that schedules in our regional center website. So the regional center website is have that counseling session schedules. So you need to follow that, and study centers also send that schedule to your mail ID as well as your WhatsApp groups. So each and every WhatsApp group prepared by study center and program wise WhatsApp group also prepared by study center. The study center people take care about that, and they will inform that schedules to you. They will send it. So after that you try to see the schedules, and you follow the timetable. According to that, what are the doubts with you, you try to ask that counseling sessions. After that, another side you have gist or content or entire theme of that particular page or para. So that should be written in your own words. So that is very much helpful for preparation of assignments. So the same experience will be useful for term and examinations also. So you copy from the material, no one ready to evaluate it. Automatically they will give the 0 marks. Automatically the evaluator know about the study material and internet material, and if you copy from the colleagues also, that is also automatically knowing about the evaluator. After that they will give the 0 marks. So you need to wait another 6 months. Same session you will not submitted again that assignment. So you need to wait next session. That means 6 months. Don't waste your time. You try to prepare your own words with assignments. That is very useful. So if you copy, first class or second class people also same copy method will be followed. So you don't think like that also. You try to convert in your own words, in your own sentences. Then you can prepare the assignments. After that, the rough copy will be shown to your academic counselors. So what are the suggestions, what are the things need to updated, and what type of answer you need to develop. So that is also very useful. So you try to show it, and after that, what are the suggestions made by the counselor? The counselor suggestions you need to follow, and you can go for the fair. After that, you need to submit in a time-bound manner. Time-bound manner means the July session people will or learners maybe submitted your assignments in the month of March. Sometimes it may be extended up to 30th April. So some question paper also have that information. You need to follow that. So you try to download the assignment question paper. That question paper is available in IGNOU website. So www.ignou.ac.in, that is our IGNOU website. After that, you can open the open page, home page. That home page is have the assignment column. So student zone 1 column is there. You can click it. After that, some of the columns will be appeared in the monitor. So you can find out the assignment column. Then after you can click it. After that, some of the programs appeared in the web monitor. Then after, what are the programs you have already joined that program, you need to click on that. Then the program will appear some of the courses. What are the courses you have registered with your admission? Then you try to know about that. After that, you try to click on the particular register course numbers. Then you try to open the current sessions. Don't go for the old session question papers. Just current session means one question paper is valid for 1 year. That means 2 sessions one session is January and another one is July session. July session people will go to the next June term and exam question paper. That means current session paper. That current session paper is valid for January as well as July. So once you want to appear the June exams means that January session paper is available. So the paper is you need to download, and after that the question paper you need to thoroughly check it. After that you try to prepare your assignments in your own words. That should be shown to your academic counselor. The rough papers will be checked by academic counselors. They may be added some of the information and some of the guidelines, some of the instructions done by your academic counselors. After that, you need to follow their instructions. Then you go for the fair copy and submit it in the month of March or April. That assignment is getting good marks, 30 out of 30 marks. So if you prepare well with your own words or with your own sentence, automatically you will get 30 out of 30 marks. So 30% of marks within your hand, that should be acquired by you. So remaining how much you want. For the degree programs, 40% and master degree also 40% required. Remaining 10% will be getting through term and examinations. That means, so 70% weightage will be given to the term and examination. The term and exams, we cannot expect any questions from the examiner. So the examiner also have some instructions. So they try to follow some instructions. One is average and another one is middle class, and third one is first class or clever students maybe. So the average and below average and middle class students will be getting marks up to 50. So remaining 50, the only clever students maybe get that. So out of 100 marks, you maybe get only 50%. So 50% marks means 70% is given to the weightage, 35% of that 70. So that is equal to 50%. So 30 and 35 both will be added for the final grades. So automatically you will get the 65 marks. That means first class marks. If anybody do some hard work, automatically they will get 75. That is distinction, and above 75 also the above distinction. So I request all the learners, please follow the instructions, then you try to get it above first class or above distinction. So what are the instructions given by me that should be followed by you, then only you will getting higher first class or distinction or above distinction. I wish to success all the learners for getting above distinction. So we will see all the learners for above distinction. Nearly above 75, automatically you will get it. Then your rank will be goes to the above distinction. That is the situation you need to follow. So the examiner try to ask each and every corner of the subject. They will very clever, and they never asked repeated questions. So you thoroughly check with our IGNOU website. So the old question papers also available. You need to find out any question can ask in last 10 sessions, so that cannot be repeated. The subject is same. The question is asking pattern is very different. So like that, sometimes they will ask outline, sometimes examine, sometimes give causes, sometimes merits and demerits, sometimes it may be effectiveness, sometimes it may be effectiveness of society. Like that, the learners maybe try to find that questions. So the subject is same, but asking pattern is very different. So the same question will not repeat last 10 sessions also. So we try to check out, but no one find it. So IGNOU provide that type of quality, and we never ask same questions in next session or old session. So we try to get it after 10 sessions, maybe it may be appeared. So that too, the asking pattern is very different. That is the examination pattern. So you need to follow the instruction and you try to thoroughly check out by you with the material. So each and every point you need to read out thoroughly and you try to remember it. And the assignment experience is very useful. So 10 times reading is equal to 1 time writing. So once you prepare in your own method, automatically you will remember, and it should be helpful for the term and examinations also. So that is the beauty of assignments. So the assignment component is with your own hand. So 30 marks are already you will achieve. So remaining 35, that means 50% automatically we try to expect, and remaining 50% questions are not able to expect from the examiner. So according to that, your result will be very good. So you try to utilize this assignment component. So some of the learners maybe leave the studies after some years, so they wanted to starting. So that is the reason. So the assignment component is very useful for them. So, and also the ranking system also very useful. So we have followed 5-point scale. So that is also one of the best. Only 100 marks paper, we have need to answer only 5 questions. So the 5-point scale is very useful. So we don't have any object type, only short essays, short type, and middle type, and long essay type questions. Only 3 types of questions. You need to follow that, and you need to follow the all the instructions. All the instructions are available. Sir was already explained. The program guide is very useful. So what are the instructions or what are the guidelines given in the program guide, you need to follow. Then automatically your result will be very high standard. That means above first class. So I wish to success every learner with my instructions. So please follow that instructions. And I want to give the term examination, 1 or 2 minutes, not more than that. So we conducted term examinations in twice in a year. One is June and another one is December. So we never conducted online term examinations, only offline term exams also available, only offline, not online. So this term examinations, how to appear? So you need to apply for the online term examination application with payment of 200 each subject, and how many courses you have registered, that can be multiplied with the 200, then the total amount will be comes, then you need to pay the online payment. So the online term and examinations question, application is available in the IGNOU website. So you try to know about that link, then only you try to fill the online application. Then you need to pay the online fee. So the payment gateways are only three. One is internet banking, and another one is credit card, and third one is debit card. So within that, you need to complete the task, and it is also time-bound manner. You need to complete the task within 31st March 2022. So that is the term and examination for June 22. So according to that, you need to do the online application. After that, the hall ticket we will not send it. So you need to download from the IGNOU website. Within a week, you may get it. So the hall tickets are available. You need to download it and you try to get it, and you carry that hall ticket along with your IGNOU identity card. Both are very, very important for appearing of term and examination at your exam center. So with these two, you need to keep it, otherwise you will not allow the examination. So they will thoroughly check it, and after that your identity card means only IGNOU identity card, and your hall ticket, both are checked by entrance people at the time of examination hall. They will check it. After that they will allow. That is the condition. You need to keep it with you at the time of examinations. So another unique feature also available. That unique feature is very, very important. Wherever you want to appear the term and examination, you can appear. That is allowed. Wherever means within India, you need to appear term and examinations. So according to that, you have a urgent work at the time of examinations, you try to ask particular regional center. At the time of examinations, you have some emergency work in Delhi or Bombay or Calcutta or Chennai. Wherever you have the emergency work, you can go to attend that. After that, you need to ask the permission for appearing of term and examination in particular area or locality. So the particular area regional center will find out the examination question paper. If it is available, they will permit you for appearing of term and examinations. So that flexibility is available. If you want any changes before the examination, that means you are the job holder, then you got the transfer. Automatically within a month, you will not change your examination center as well as your study center and regional center also. According to that, you need to go for the particular transferred area and you need to approach the particular regional center. Wherever you want to transfer, that area is have the regional center or nearest regional center also. Then you need to ask the permission for appearing of term and examinations in that area. So special permission given to you. So then you need to appear. That is also available. And sometimes what happened, the stray cases also available. Stray cases means this emergency work or emergency period, you wanted to appear the term and examinations in other area. Actually, you are selected Nagpur, but you have some emergency work in Delhi. At that time, you need to ask the permission for appearing of term and examinations in that particular area. Then they will try to locate question paper the question paper is available automatically, they will allow your candidature. You need to appear that. That is stray cases. So this type of a unique feature, no one university follow. Only IGNOU is following this particular unique feature. So nearly 721 districts we have exam centers as well as study centers. So according to that, we can permit. But other universities, they don't have that area. That means, for example, Nagpur University have only 5 districts or 6 districts maybe. So they don't want to give that exemption. So this unique feature with us, we try to provide the learners. So according to that, you need to complete your tasks. Thank you very much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you one and all. I want to open for this session is discussion. So if you have any doubts, please ask one by one. Don't get confused. Just you can open your mic. After that, you try to ask. If anybody open mic and start that, automatically you don't open. Don't get confused. Within 10-15 minutes, we will complete this task. Then only we will close. Wind up this session. Thank you. So the session is open for discussion.
So first year consists of 2 semesters or 1 semester?
First year consists of 2 semesters for BA Psychology. Okay, BA honors. Those who join for BA honors, it's a semester-based program. Whereas you will be having examination once in a year.
Okay, sir. So exam will be for 2 semesters, no?
Anji. एक कोर्स के आपको एक ही साथ देना पड़ेगा.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Hi, sir. I wanted to ask, since the program is starting now, the exam will still be in June, right? For MSCC?
Yes.
And assignment submission is in March, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any particular date for the same?
So 31st March will be, like, you see the assignment question paper, you can find it over there, last date for submission of assignments. Okay. For certain courses, it will be April, or for generally 31st March will be the last date for submission of assignment.
Okay, and this has to be submitted at the study center.
Study center, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. हाँ जी, बताइए त्रिपाठी जी.
सर ये क्लासेस कब स्टार्ट होंगे एमए के?
Classes probably by this month end onwards, or third week of January we are thinking to start the sessions.
It's online or offline?
Online. No offline.
So link will be provided and schedule we will get.
Yeah, the schedule will be shared to you through email.
Okay, sir.
Send by email to you all.
Hello.
Yes.
When will the practical teaching start?
So
around the same time?
Practical will in the month of April or May.
Okay, and we have to submit the journal also, right?
Yes, practical records will be there. That they will inform you that there will be 7 exercises for you there. 7 activities will be there for the first year MA psychology program. You have to do that one. They will inform you like how to do that one. Maybe COVID time, like last time it is made to 5. This time we don't know. There will be guidance from the school. We will follow the guidance of the school.
Okay, so in May you will be teaching and then submission is later.
April or May.
Okay, so submission is after that.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
G. And psychology, those who join for MA psychology, please, you will be having a statistic on psychology will be there. Try to be cope up with that one. Mostly that's a difficult part for the students who doesn't have a psychological background and joining for the psychology program. Please be a little bit take care of it, and then you will be having 2 courses. One is on research methods and second one statistics. दोनों आपको थोड़ा ध्यान में करना पड़ेगा. That will help you for your second year project work. So that is the one area where most of students are not able to be cope up with their studies. So I request that from the beginning you just concentrate on those two courses.
Which two courses, sir? Can you repeat?
Research methods and then statistics. Okay, 5 and 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm not from Nagpur. I'm from Raipur.
Okay.
My Raipur Regional Center, it does not conduct this course of MA in psychology. So, in case of submission of assignments or exam conduction, I will have to travel to Nagpur. And what happens in the case of lockdowns and all?
The assignments you can send it by post to the study center. Okay, and the only thing is that you have to be ensure that whether your assignment has been reached over there or not. That is one thing. And for practical, if it is through online, then it's fine. Otherwise, if it is face to face, then you have to be attend it at the reading center.
Okay, sir.
Practical is compulsory. Okay, even if you are not attending a theory, that's fine. But however, you are supposed to be attend the practical sessions. Unless you have the attendance, you will not be allowed to be appear for the practical examination.
Okay, so when will the practical session start?
April or May, generally. Let us see. This time, based on like now, we are going to be have it. Like it depends upon the COVID situation now. When the college opens, that we'll be having it.
Okay, so then I have to travel to Nagpur for the practical sessions.
No, if it is face to face.
And how many they will be in number?
Most probably, depends upon the courses. We'll be having around 8-9 courses. Nine. If you say take a days, maybe around 7-8 days will be there.
Okay, sir.
6 to 7 days will be there.
Okay.
Generally on the weekend.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Sir, the examinations will get held in April session, in April month or December also, means for MEPC program.
The exam will be twice year examination. Okay. For you, your term end will be getting over by June 2022. Okay. You joined there in July 2021, and your term end will be over by June 2022. Okay. Your exam will be there in the month of June 2022.
Means only June.
Many people
not
actually
December.
joined after the date was extended till December 21. उनके लिए तो सिर्फ 6 महीने का होगा ये.
That's fine, but however you have to cope up with that. Okay, students who joined even now, like even September or October, November, December, also the students have been joined for this program. It's fine. Anyway, you already started to read your material, so it's not much difficult for you to complete the program. Like you can complete it. Okay, and we will provide you the academic support, whatever we are supposed to be provide to you. We will be definitely give it to you, either through online mode or offline mode, whatever it is.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
So we have to write the assignments in the blank pages or in the ruled pages.
No, if it is unruled, that's fine because you can write it properly. Or if you are using ruled, but it should be single side, you can write it, and it should be legible. And give space, margin, give margin on both the sides. Don't try to be end to end, and give margin on both the sides. Neatly write it, and whatever you write, try to be apply to the situation, apply to the questions. Generally, application part will expect from the learners. Whatever you studied there in the content, you try to be apply onto the real life. So that will gives you weightage.
So we have to leave the backside page blank, or we can write the both sides of the page.
That will be better. If you write single side, that will be better. What happens? Some students are writing both the sides, but it is not legible, and then marks have been losing over there. And you're turning back the assignment to the students.
As I am also not from Nagpur, I am also from Chhattisgarh.
You can send by post. You can send by post. Only thing is that you have to ensure, you have to talk to the study center people and then just confirm that whether your assignment has been reached over there or not.
Okay, sir. We have to bind it up or to spiral it.
Spiral chalte, even if you staple it and then put a OHP sheet, like a OHP sheet over there and staple it and then tape it, it's fine.
Okay, sir. Is there any concern regarding the pages? Means for each question, how many pages we have to write?
So it's up to you. It's up to you how you have been defining it, how you have been elaborating it, how you have been giving it. Okay, the words should be given over there. However, we suggest that like we will not be looking for the pages. we look for the contents. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you satisfy us, satisfy the evaluator by the way which you be understand and writing on your own, the evaluators are satisfied. Definitely, the marks will be there. We will not be seeing the number of pages. Okay. And for 20 marks, if you write it for one page, you see what marks can be given to you. So it's all up to you. You can take a decision on that how you can write the assignment responses. You are a teacher. You know that better.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah.
Sir, when will get?
One by one, Mr. Viren.
Yes, sir. When will get the task list or question list for assignment work?
The assignment question paper are already available there on the website. It's already uploaded there on the website. You can download the question from the website.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ji. Good evening, Vidaji.
Sir, actually, I am working and last month I got transferred to Pune. Can I change my study center from Nagpur to Pune?
Yes, you can get change. In case if you want to change it for psychology program, you have to get the NOC from the regional center where you are going to change. Okay. And see, permanently, if you have been transferred from here, you can change your center from regional center from Nagpur to wherever you want to go. If it's only temporary shifting, no need to change. You can give exam anywhere in India.
Okay.
While applying for examination, you have to choose the regional center where you want to be applied for the examination, and the exam center which is nearer to you. While applying, you have to choose that exam center and give the exams wherever you are. It's not necessary only to give exam only at Nagpur or where centers have been attached with. So that's
Sir, actually, I am concerned about my practicals.
No, see, if you are having a permanent shift from here to Pune, you can change your center. There is no issue. Only thing is you have to get the NOC from the Pune office. Send a mail to them that you want to change your center from Nagpur to Pune. They will give you the NOC, and based on the NOC, you can apply at the regional center Nagpur. We will transfer records to Pune.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good
Sir,
evening,
good
sir.
evening.
Yeah,
Hello.
good evening, Amolji. Yeah, please.
Ji, sir, we should submit the assignment of each subject individually, or it is overall?
No, each subject individually. See, it goes to different courses.
Each subject?
Yeah, it goes to different academic counselors. Okay, for each course, separate academic courses will be there. Therefore, it will go different people. So you have to write individually for the courses you have to write.
Total 7 assignments we have to.
6 courses, theory course.
6 courses. Okay, sir.
Your practical.
Yes, yes.
And for
yes.
UG program, for BPA, CH, all the courses you have to write the assignments. Even if the practicals are there, you have to write the assignments. First,
Okay, sir.
UG program.
Yeah, and one more question I have to ask. When the practical exam will be there, and how many gaps are there in the papers, actual papers?
Will you please repeat?
There is a regular paper or what? 6 papers in the line, or how many in 1 month or 1.5 months or 2 months, and what will be the time period?
Pardon, sir. Will you please repeat it? Will you repeat it? Please repeat your question.
When the actual exam will be happen, the written exam, final exam, so it will be a regular or some gaps are there in between every subject on your exam paper?
Sorry that right now we can't be able to tell you, but what IGNOU do does that IGNOU will upload the tentative date sheet 3 months before your examination. Okay.
Okay.
When the exams are there in the month of June, IGNOU update the tentative date sheets in the month of March or April. So you will be having enough time to be plan your study.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have checked assignment on the portal, and I have received that assignment. Each subject have 100 marks of assignment, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so these all. Yes, sir.
You please see the question paper. If it is mentioned that 100 marks for each course, then you have to, that marks will be for 100 marks will be maximum marks.
All questions are mandatory. Yes, it is written over there.
Yes, yes. It might be given over there. How many will be mandatory? Like 2, or you have to write for that depends upon the question paper. Let's see the question paper.
Sir, for all it is written compulsory.
Then you have to write all.
Okay, means we have to prepare a kind of a booklet or a journal for it, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And sir, submission date for exam form?
31st March. Last date will be.
31st March, and by 22nd we need to submit our assignment, correct?
Yeah. Before we apply for examination, you can be you can submit your assignments, and there you have to declare that you already submit the assignment responses while applying for examination.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Anji. So whatever, if you have any doubts regarding your assignments, doubts regarding your study materials, you can have interaction with the academic counselors during your counseling sessions. They will guide you properly.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I haven't received the study material yet.
हाँ सिस्टर, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आपको ये हमको मेल भेज सकते हैं. If you are not, कहाँ से आप?
मैं चंद्रपुर, कोरपना.
Chundrapur. See, materials directly sent to your postal address by the university. Okay, from headquarters directly it comes to your postal address. In case if you are not receiving material, what you can do, you can write a mail to Registrar MPDD, REGISTRAR, Registrar MPDD @ignou.ac.in. You can send a mail. Please do remember that you mention your name, enrollment number, and program code. These three things should be there in your communication. And whichever courses not received, you can mention the course codes also over there, and then send a mail to them. They will look into it.
Okay, sir, can you please repeat the email ID?
Registrar MPDD, REGISTRAR, Registrar MPDD, Mumbai, Punjab, Delhi. @ignou.ac.in.
ignou.ac.in. AC.
My friends have been written over there in the chat box.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, Mr. Hemant.
Okay, second, sir. Sorry, one more question, sir. Means all the yearly schedule, will it be presented somewhere in the site?
Yes, आपको once constitution is prepared, they will send to you.
Sir, not audible.
Once you receive, once the constitution is prepared by the study center, they will send to you as well as to us. Once we received it at the regional center, we will upload there in the RC Nagpur website.
Okay.
Okay, you can get it from there. And also, there will be a WhatsApp group. You can be in the WhatsApp group also. The constitution will be shared, and they will also send you a mail. In case if you are not interested in your mail, please let us know.
Okay, sir. Is there any contact number which we can have a contact in the study center?
No, contact number will be shared by the study center very soon. Actually, they are supposed to be joined today. Somehow they are not joined today with class. And they will be shared. They will create a WhatsApp group and share it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Like when I post my assignments, as you said, I need to get verified from the center whether they have received it or not.
Yes.
So what should be the procedure of verification if I don't have a contact?
Whatever you're sending, you may be sending by speed post, Indian speed post only. So keep the copy of it and track it on your own. Okay? You can track on your own. The speed post tracking you can do it and keep the copy of it. Whatever you speed post receipt and track it and keep the copy with you. And send a mail to study center ID. There is an email ID given by the study center. There you can send a copy. The receipt copy can be sent to them. That by informing that you already submitted a copy and it was been received by them, and they will revert back to you.
Okay, sir.
Yes, take your time to, because you will not be having frequent interaction hereafter. You will be having interaction only with your coordinator and the study center academic counselors. So I hereby request all the learners, whatever doubts you have, please clarify before you leave this meeting.
Sir, if we miss
Sir,
the
one more
July
thing.
2022 exam, can we appear in December by paying some extra
Yes,
fees?
yes, no, there's no to pay extra money. Rahulji, once you have been not able to give your exam by June, The next exam will be there in the month of December. Okay, you can be appear for the exam, December examination. You can be appear, no issue at all. So the flexibility is there. You have maximum period even. Okay, so minimum period is there, maximum period is there. It's up to you that you can be when you are going to complete your program. Even minimum period you can complete it, or maximum period also can complete it, because we all the programs are being scheduled such a way that to be accommodate all the learners. We know that you might be having your own priority. So we have a lot of flexibilities. Don't worry. Here there is no force to you to complete within a minimum period. You can take up to maximum period also, but don't go for maximum period. You try to be complete within a minimum period.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Anji.
So
Hello,
can
sir.
you please?
So sorry.
You can speak.
Yeah. So can you please repeat the email ID for submission of assignments, like where I can send a
Hello?
copy of my assignments?
Assignment can be sent, only the hard copy can be sent. No, there is no soft copy to be sent.
Yeah, so soft copy, sir.
No soft copy. It's only hard copy you have to submit to the study center.
Okay, and I have to verify from the document number itself. I don't have any phone number of the regional center.
No. See, regional center numbers are available there in the website.
That's not working, sir.
It's not responsive, sir.
It's working. You can also talk to the academics. Like our numbers also uploaded over there in the website. You can get the number from a site and then talk to us.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please, Saranji.
Sir, actually,
Hello.
I had a doubt that BA PCH course has 2 semesters every year. So after every semester, we have to give an exam.
Yes, yes. See, you are to take though it's a semester program, you consider as a yearly program. Okay, your first year will be comes to end by June 2022. So therefore, your first year exam will be there in the month of June 2022. Okay, and your second year exam will be there in June 2023, and your third year exam will be in June 2024. Okay. For these exams, what you have to do, you have to be applying in the month of March of every year. Okay.
So,
in case if you are not able to give your exam by June, you can appear there in the exam in the month of December, for which you have to apply in the month of September.
Okay.
Okay. Once your payment is over, you can be apply for exam at any time.
Okay.
Until your maximum period.
Okay. Means it will be 3 times 3 times in total 3 years.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anything
Hello.
else?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Himanshu.
Sir, I have received my offline study material, but it includes only compulsory courses. So, will we get study material for elective courses also, or
for UG program or PG program? UG program. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what you can do, whatever. कहाँ से आप? Where are you from?
Sir, from Nagpur.
Nagpur. If you have time, you please visit the regional center once. If your materials are available with us, we can give it to you, or you can send a mail to register MPDD.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have received my ID card from Regional Studies Center.
Regional center. See, like another thing, I just want to inform you all here. Regional center is there in the Amravati road. Okay, not the Guru Nanak Bhavan Study. Guru Nanak Bhavan is a study center. Don't go there. If you want to come to regional center, you come to the regional center there, which is available situated there in the Amravati road. Okay, RC Nagpur website address is given over there. Hindustan Colony, Amravati road. हमारा regional center office है. वहाँ आपको 9:30 से 6:30 बजे तक आपको आ सकते हैं. You can come during working hours.
Can I collect the study materials from there?
See, materials for certain students from Nagpur students are receiving it at the regional center. We are distributing to them. The learners from other districts, we are directly get it from the headquarters.
Okay.
If we receive the material, we will inform you by mail or we will inform you by SMS.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, Shashikumar, sir. I wanted to ask are there any opportunities for student exchange, international student exchange programs? I'm a BA PCH 2021 student, and I'm curious about the international, exposure of IGNOU.
No, we don't have as such. Only thing is that we have international centers. See, for example, if you are now you are pursuing a program here in Nagpur, for certain reason you are going to Gulf countries for your career. What you can do, you can pursue a program there with paying the international fees. So the fees are different from the international and domestic. But there is no as such, you don't have collaborative programs like you can be 6 months program here in India and 6 months program there in abroad.
Less than 28
centers. Okay, in
तीन
case
meetings
where we have IGNOU center, if you can pursue a program there by paying the fees of that country, whatever it is.
Yeah. So just another follow-up question that after we complete our psychology and the Ivy League colleges outside of India, so I mean, do they, ask for the research part and everything else? So does IGNOU help with that too?
Yes, see, we once you are going to be abroad for your higher studies, you can get a transfer certificate from the university from IGNOU. IGNOU will provide you the transfer certificate, and you can be joined wherever you want to be joined. Many students who complete the program with IGNOU are been joining, pursuing their higher studies there in the abroad in many countries. Okay. You can apply once you complete the program. Transfer certificate.
Hello.
Understood, sir.
Yes,
Understood.
please.
Thank you.
Please.
Yeah, sir, I wanted to ask, we are from
Sir,
a
let
different
them
background
conclude.
in terms of, coming to psychology. So I've taken up MA in psychology, but I'm from a different background. So wouldn't it be better if I had chosen a BA in psychology? Is it preparing us for an entire understanding of psychology?
No need. See, that is what we have been giving option to all the students to be joined for a psychology program. So only thing is that you need some extra efforts. Okay, the psychology background, the students who are having psychology background, for them it is easy, and for you, you have to put a lot of efforts to cope up with those students. That nothing else. And the material is same for all the students. Like say, materials are same for those students who are joining with psychology background and even without psychology background. It's the same material only. Only thing is that you need some a little bit efforts on it.
So do we need to read some extra study material or?
No need. See, IGNOU materials is sufficient. If you see the material, comes to know that it's very very good material we're providing to you. It's a quality material we're providing to you. Don't worry about all of that.
So in case I want to do a PhD after this, it would work, right? Like I would still have a good understanding about psychology.
Certainly it will be working.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Haji,
Sir, IGNOU materials are sufficient for writing the assignments? Means we can.
Okay, sir. Let them conclude.
Yes. So if you find that it is not sufficient, you can go with any other sources. Like that is not the issue at all. We are not restricting to you. But as of now, IGNOU material will be enough, more than enough to you to be write these assignment responses. If you want to go for that time, maybe you can refer different sources. That is no one is going to stop you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Venkat sir, shall we hope anyone else to be discussed?
Okay, sir.
So can I continue, madam?
Sir, please take some few minutes. Because sir wants to be wind up also. We will take another 2-3 questions, then we can wind up the session.
Yes, sir. I have contacted my study center and regional studies center. They said that it will be sent through headquarters, so they won't be providing study material directly to me.
Yeah. Generally, materials will be sent directly by headquarters only. So that's why I'm telling. I've given an email to you, register MPDT. Someone has written on the chat box also. I hope you only written on the chat box. You send a mail to them.
Sir, but because someone shared that material dispatch status, so I've checked. There is no option for elective bucket, sir. Like those courses are showing blank in that column.
Okay, if send a mail to them, they may reply to you.
So sir, will we get study material for elective courses or not? Is my question.
You will get for all the registered courses. You will get the material.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, hello.
हाँ जी दिव्यांश
Sir,
दिव्यांश
sir, actually, I also need to travel when there will be exams or when there will be practicals. So I had this one question ki semester, if we give exam in June, that will be for semester 1 or semester 1 and 2 together.
semester 1 and semester 2 together, okay? And no need to travel. See, only thing is what you have to see while applying for the examination, you have to choose the exam center which is nearer to you. Okay?
Yes, sir. So can I give exam in Chhattisgarh?
Yeah, you can be give. Wherever you are, you can give it. Receive to. Only thing is that while applying for the examination, you have to choose the particular concerned regional center and the exam center nearer to you.
So exam in the website it was written ki exam happens in June and December. So if we give exam in December, no?
See, if you are not able to give an exam there in June, you can give an exam there in December. Don't worry, don't worry.
Okay,
You can
okay,
complete the
sir.
program there in a given period.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you so much. I hope we have satisfied you all. Shall we wind up now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir, we can.
Sir, you can take it up, sir. Venkat, sir, just hand over to Venkat, sir.
Okay. Okay, all the learners, thank you sparing your valuable time. So this is also one of the important meeting. Otherwise, if you attended, no problem. Otherwise, you are not able to do your program in minimum duration. So that is the reason you try to join. Whenever we try to ask to join in the induction meeting, you need to join, or any other interactions also taken place, then you need to join. So I am very much thankful to our regional